Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So we are on our way to Harvey Norman's actually because we are gonna actually get the washing machine. They will deliver I think either tomorrow or latest by Wednesday. So yeah, so we're gonna take you guys along. I'm tempted by this for dinner. What do you guys think? It's like $9 for it. $8.50. But they have very good food here. They even have like pasta. This one is the soba noodles. So we just arrived back from Promenade. I finally purchased the washing machine because, like, if you haven't seen the previous vlog, my current washing machine actually broke down, so we have to purchase a new one. So yes, we finally purchased it. I am hungry, but we're gonna go back home to cook lunch. We will buy rice on our way back after. That makes sense. These few days have been very nice sky, but also very gloomy. So I'm craving for bubble tea. So we are gonna go and get milk tea on our way back. So we got the milk tea. I think the first cherry there. So we'll actually start heading home because we have somewhere else to be later this evening, and we don't want to be caught in the rain since I think it's gonna rain again the moment we reach home. Before we actually hit home, I need to go to Donkey bit and buy like rice. Technically I can cook rice when I'm home, but we will be busy for the next few days and just get a bowl of rice on the way home since we are out. So unfortunately these donkey don't, it's always way inconsistent, so they don't have just plain rice. It's fine. We'll either buy rice tomorrow or the day after. So unless I go to Donkey at Isuhan and see what they have it.